Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can easily upload a video on Vimeo application. First of all, download and install the Vimeo app and launch it open. Make sure that you're signed into your Vimeo account homepage, and once you're inside the home screen or your dashboard, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and in the pop-up, click on Upload. It'll take you in your device's camera roll from where you can upload a video you want to add. After selecting a video, click on Next at the top right corner. Now, you'll see this finalized page where you need to go ahead and trim the video. Tap the trim option and go ahead and select the part you want for your video. After you choose the length of the video, click on Done at the top right corner. Now, under title, go ahead and enter your title for the video, and you can also describe the video into the description box at the bottom. Go ahead and write down a short description. Now, click on the public drop down and select whether you'd like to make the video public or private, and click on Done. Now click the save button at the top right corner and you'll be uploading the selected video. Your video will start processing and will be shortly ready. And that's how you just upload your first, and that's how you can easily upload your first video on Vimeo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.